أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وكان الله بكل شيء محيطا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Nisa Ayat number 126. In this ayat, Allah tells us, Walillahi, and for Allah, ma fi samawati, whatever is in the heavens, wa ma fil ard, and whatever is in the earth. So, Walillahi ma fi samawati wa ma fil ard, and whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth belongs to Allah. Wakan Allahu, and Allah is bikulli shay'in, on each everything. Mohita is covering. Allah occupying. Allah occupies each everything. Walillahi ma fi samawati wa ma fil ard wa kana Allahu bikulli shay'in muhita. And whatever is in the heavens and in the earth belongs to Allah, and Allah occupies each everything. So we understand that whatever is on the heavens, or you can see on the surface of the earth, even in between earth and sky, and also on the skies and in the heavens, everything, each everything belongs to Allah. So, because Allah has created each everything, so Allah is the master of each everything, and Allah occupies each everything also. You have no capability to escape away from the boundary of Allah, which is like, for example, you are living on the land. So on the soil surface, you are unable to escape out from here, because you are under grip of Allah every time. This way Allah said, you must be careful in your rights and responsibilities. So this way, each everything Allah has made, and those things are for the benefits for the human beings. Because human being is the special creation of Allah. For human being, Allah has created so many things. So these are, everything is giving benefits to human being. And human beings, they have to do whatever Allah wants. They must be slave of Allah. They must follow the teachings of Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam under Quran and Sunnah, in order to get full access at the day of judgment to get their place in paradise. So this is very important for us. So therefore Allah said, you can see Allah said that وَكَانَ اللَّهُ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ مُحِيطًا. So Allah occupies each everything. So therefore you are just to do your responsibilities and your rights completely and fully. Completely and fully. Very important. Like Allah said in Holy Quran, other place in Surah Baqarah, Ayat number 108, that Ya ayyuhallazina amanu udkhulu fis silmi kafa. So, O people with Iman, you have to enter in Islam fully and completely. وَلَا تَتَّبِعُوا خُطُوَاتِ الشَّيْطَانِ. You are not to follow the footsteps of Shaitan. إِنَّهُ لَكُمْ عَدُوٌّ مُبِينٌ. Indeed, Shaitan is your open enemy. So this way Allah said that you must be careful in your rights and responsibilities. So we have rights and responsibilities towards Allah and rights and responsibilities toward the creation of Allah. So whatever we have rights and responsibilities towards Allah, Allah will forgive when you are requesting Allah for forgiveness possible. But rights and responsibilities which are to the creation of Allah, so if you have done something wrong with the creation of Allah, so then that creation, if they forgive you, then you will be forgiven, otherwise you will be under problem, because you have done something wrong with the creation of Allah. So if the creation is individual, one person, then that person will forgive you. But if the creation is like the whole humanity, for example, you are a president, you are prime minister, or you are a minister, or you are a officer, or under you some people, you are a guardian of them. So you are responsible for the peace and prosperity of those people, for the health of those people, for the food and shelter of those people, for the basic requirement. You are the responsible person for them. If you are not fulfilling the needs of them, then automatically you will have to be answerable at the day of judgment. This is where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Kullukum ra'in wa kullukum mas'ulun an ra'iyatihi." So this is giving the concept that if you are the leader, or if you are the president, prime minister, or you are the whole country, you are like a chief executive, or you have some authority, then you are responsible to fulfill the needs of the people. It's very important. If you are unable to do this, so at the day of judgment you will be answerable there. And for example, if you are working and you have the Baitul Mal, like the government treasure you have, and for example you are taking some money from there, and you are taking money which is not right, that is not your right. So that is like you are robbing the rights of the whole people of the world, whole people of your country. So this is very important. So many countries you have seen, the government officials, especially the prime minister, ministers, and other people, mostly they are corrupt, and they are taking so much benefits from the country's central bank. So in order to fulfill their selfishness, so at the day of judgment they will be answerable, because they are robbing the whole people of the country. So they are dacoits. So this way they will have to answer at the day of judgment. And if they are like a Muslim, so their all the good deeds will be distributed among those people. And if the people will stay even, so then the sins of the people, those will ride upon these people, and they will find their place in the hellfire and will stay there for a long time. Allah knows better. So this way is very important. I told you that there's many people who are having taqwa. So those people, they don't like to accept the roles of government. If you say we want, you should be president, prime minister, or you should be the leader of the party or something. People, they are the good people, they don't want to accept that one, because that is the biggest responsibility, and these rights and responsibilities to the whole people is very difficult. At the day of judgment, the people will not be able to do that. Even you have seen, so Khulfa Rashidun, how they have done it. You can see the Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, how he has done this is very difficult. For this way Allah said, وَكَانَ اللَّهُ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ مُحِيطًا. So Allah has occupying you. So if you are doing something wrong, you will be answerable. So be careful this way. This way is the best thing is that, so whatever you will do here, you can't get rid of from that because you are unable to move away from the boundary of Islam, move away from the boundary of this land or soil. Everything is under occupation of Allah. So how is possible for you to go away from the earth, from the place wherever you go, that is the place belongs to Allah. So this way you will have to be answerable. So this way Allah said, so you be careful in this world. So you have to look after the rights and responsibilities towards Allah, towards the creation of Allah, and that is, and also towards yourself also. And be careful because the day of judgment is coming closer. After all, you have to die and you have to face Allah at the day of judgment, where you have to, Allah will have a justice, and you will have to be answerable at the day of judgment. So be careful in this world so that you can get the success at the day of judgment. If you are a good person to fulfill the rights and responsibilities towards Allah and towards the creation of Allah. Allah gave us tawfiq to fulfill it. Ameen.